Welcome to this blockchain theory. Go to this URL andres.com/blockchain. Here, this Andres Rebane, this guy already uploaded a video. You can see this video, and through this video, this is 17 minutes video, you can learn the blockchain theory. Even you don't understand this theory, you can understand the whole blockchain at the end of the course. Trust me, you can. If you are a newbie, then it's difficult for you to understand, but trust me, blockchain very easy technology. Let's click this hash button, hash link. So blockchain is totally based on this SHA-256 algorithm, and you no need to learn how this algorithm works. You just need to understand why we using this algorithm. What's the output? For empty string, here you can see there is a hash. If you type any letter, you can see there is a unique hash. Whatever you type, it will give you a unique hash. From this value, you can get this exact hash. Remember this hash. Cut this and paste it here. You can see this hash, exact hash for this value. If you change a single letter, then hash changed. So the good thing is you can achieve this same hash for only for this value. You cannot get this value from this hash. So this is the theory of SHA-256. And in real time, here few public key, sending $20 to another public key. This transaction, and there is another signature. This type of information registered in blockchain. Don't be confused. Once you build blockchain using C#, you will understand everything. For now, just understand, whatever you write, it will give a unique key. That's it. No need to understand more than that. Let's click block. Based on SHA-256, block added to a blockchain. Let's see. Here in a blockchain, this is the nonce. Here proof of work and the mining happening like this way. Like what for this empty string, this unique hash. If you try to change this data, this entire block is invalid. So why invalid? Because this hash prefix has no 0. According to law, blockchain law, the prefix should be start with zeros, because more leading zeros meaning more difficulty to mine. So in this application, this guy used only 4 zeros, but in real time in blockchain currently today, the leading zero is 17 zeros. Don't be confused, no problem. All you need to understand is to mine this, only this field will update. That's it. After, if I click this, it will generate too many number to to find out a specific number to get 4 leading zeros. Let's click mine. You see, for this value we can see 4 leading zeros, 1 2 3 4. Let's change another data. If I click mine, only this value will be changed, because for these 3 values there is random hash, 4 leading zeros it will find out, and the specific nonce we will get. Let's click mine. For this data and block, this is the specific hash. Only this hash can generate this value. This is block. And in a blockchain, couple of blocks added. So this is block 1 2 3. So here rules is the previous hash, the first block is 0. No problem. We can ignore this one. Here this hash match with this hash. So previous hash is this hash and this one should be equal. And again this hash is equal to this hash, previous hash. So this is the condition of blockchain. This hash equal to this hash. Suppose a hacker tried to change the value. If hacker changes value, this block will get invalid and this block, because if when you change the value, this hash change and there is no 4 leading zeros. So what that hacker can do, click mine to generate this nonce, to validate this hash. Click mine. Here you can see only new nonce for this data and this is 4 leading zeros. And again hacker need to validate this because this hash already changed because of this previous hash. Because this hash generated after taking this value, this nonce value, data values and previous values. Let's click mine. This way hacker want to change the value. Why hacker want to change? Because there is the value of transaction. That's the reason. Let's show you why hacker cannot change the value in distributed network. Click distributed link. Here this is PR1. Just imagine this is miner 1, miner 2, this is second machine and this is third machine. Here if miner hack the system and mining this one, then mining this one, this PRB is now valid chain, but this last block hash does not match with other pairs hash. First one and last one you can see. This one, this E4B, and middle one is 101. So this chain will automatically replaced by first one or last one. Anyway, even if you don't understand now, you will understand when I will finish blockchain API. Anyway, in real world there is no empty string. In real world you can see tokens like transaction from this guy to this guy, the value. Even here in real time there is public key, and here public key, no name actually. And this is exactly same as the distributed network, just difference is the transaction it is showed. Let's see the real, more real, and this is totally real. At the here, this is the real transaction and real blockchain API information, almost with wrong values. Anyway, this is miner 1, miner 2 machine, miner 3 machine, and at initial time only one miner got this value. So only this miner has value that time, and this miner gave another person the coin. Nobody can give coin because this guy don't have money at this time. So it will go back, and from this chain it is easily possible to find out which person, which public key and person has what money, how much money coin they have. Don't worry, we will implement everything. All you need to understand is SHA-256, and here when we mine only this nonce update. Only two things we need to understand for now. All rest of the part you will understand after finish my application, the blockchain API. And most of the student will understand from this explanation of this 17 minutes. Thank you for this part 1.